Hi, I'm Gina, the founder of Rupi Hair, and I'm going to show you how to wash your Rupi hair, whether it's your first time or you're getting ready to reinstall it. So you want to first start off by thoroughly brushing out the curls and then give it a really good rinse. I would say at least a minute or so to rinse it out if you have product buildup. And then I really like to use an exfoliating shampoo, and I apply it and work it throughout all the hair to make sure you get rid of any product buildup, especially if you're reusing the hair. And then thoroughly rinse out. Again, I use at least a minute to thoroughly rinse out all the shampoo and make sure any debris is also out. Then I follow up with a conditioner. I really like a moisturizing conditioner to work throughout the hair, and it just gives the hair a nice shine and body to it. So I work it through using a detangling brush. I really love to use a detangling brush throughout the hair. Make sure that all the conditioner works through the hair entirely. Okay, so before I even rinse it out, what I like to do is if I want more ringlets and I want even more definition that the curl has, is I'll twirl pieces around my fingers to give it deeper definition with the curls. So I slowed it down a little bit so you can see how I just take sections of it and I literally just work it around two fingers to give it more defined curls. Now, at this point, I haven't even washed out the conditioner yet. It's just easier to work throughout my fingers. It just glides through very easy. So now that I've had all the curls that I want, I rinse out while I continuously scrunch it. So it's going through my fingers to rinse out. But I'm keeping the ringlet curls that I've created within the palm of my hand. And I just continue to scrunch all the excess water while rinsing out continuously. So now that I have rinsed out all the conditioner, I'm going to lay it out, preferably in the sun, so it can dry quicker. And I give a really good squeeze to remove all the excess water. And I like to lay it on a microfiber towel, not a cotton towel, because the cotton towel will create friction for the hair and give it like a frizzy look. So I like to use a microfiber towel, and I got this at the Dollar Tree. And now voila, you have the air dried hair, and it has the beautiful ringlets and curls, and it's back to its natural curl pattern. So it's really beautiful. So I hope this has helped you guys with washing your hair or re-washing. Have a great day.